It's over. My tenants just moved out.
It's over. We are screwed.
Want to know what it's like to own a rental property for 20 years? Well, come along. Let's go check it out. This one just came vacant for us, and I'm going to show you the inside. We're going to talk about the numbers. We've had this thing forever. Let's go see it. Look, guys, we're in the Milk District of Orlando, Florida. That means we get to charge a shit ton in rent. When I first bought this house, in all seriousness, it's an office downstairs, and I actually used to have my office here. So this was where I would come to work every day. And then upstairs is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath, fully functional, 2-bedroom, 2.5-bath, fully functional condo. So lots of outdoor living space. We'll show you as we do the walkthrough. A nice big living room that you look here. What we're doing today is we're going through and we're doing a little punch list as we've got to do a turn on this. We've got to clean it up. We've got to get it back on the market. And so looking at things like scuffs on the wall and carpets that need to be cleaned. Maybe a toilet upstairs has a crack in it, and so we're gonna have to replace that. These are just everyday living things that happen. We just lost a really good tenant. She was here for a couple of years. Was a young woman. She lived by herself, so she didn't beat up the place. Looks pretty good. It's got to be cleaned up. We'll get it back on the market. Let's go look. In this neighborhood, the Milk District, there are just so many comps. It's one of the things that I like about real popular areas is that you can very quickly determine what something should sell for, yes, or what it should rent for. Right now, across the street, we've got multiple examples of efficiencies, 1-bedroom, 1-bath, 2-bedroom, 2-baths, and 3-bedroom, 2-bath apartments that we can compare our place to. And what we know is that an efficiency in this area rents for about $2,200 a month. A 1-bedroom, 1-bath, so a little bit bigger than an efficiency, I think rents for about $2,300, $2,400 a month. And a 2-bedroom, 2-bath like this in one of these other buildings across the street, they're renting for $2,600 to $2,800 a month. Anything 3 bedrooms and up is above $3,000 a month. We're talking about high rents. For me, it's really high. When we first started renting this property, I think we bought it back in 2004 or 2005. So either way, 20 years ago, we were renting the 2-bedroom, 2-bath apartment for about $1,200 a month, if I remember correctly. And today we're probably gonna put this on the market for $2,200 a month after we clean it up and make it really nice again. So we've got some work to do, but we're gonna get some rents that'll make it worth it. So guys, we've owned this property for so long. It's now called the Milk District. I've said that a couple of times already. When I bought it, this was just the outskirts of Colonial Town. It really didn't have its own name or character or charm. And what happens over time as neighborhoods become more popular and then they get rebranded, that means that rents are gonna go up. So as a landlord, this is something that we like to look for and try and prognosticate. Are we buying properties in up and coming areas like this one did? Or are we buying in areas that are going down and then the rents aren't gonna go up as well? So for us, we always like to fight like hell to keep the rental properties in areas where we see the trend going up. The trend is your friend. And that's a really good way to look at it or think about it. If your friend would move there, it might be trendy. If you don't want to live there, it's probably trending the wrong way. So let me tell you about the apartment. It's a 2-bedroom, 2.5-bath. Each bedroom has its own ensuite. So you get your own bathroom, a walk-in closet, and then you have a bathroom downstairs with the laundry room. It's fully equipped. I mean, this place is awesome. It comes with parking, which is a big deal in this part of town. We have lots and lots of living space, a nice balcony out back above the garage, balconies on every level on the front of the building, and it's in an area where there's great restaurants, there's lots of fun nightlife. This is just a really fun place to live. This is like living kind of in the heart of the city. Where we lived in San Juan, Puerto Rico, we lived in kind of the heart of San Juan, and we really enjoyed that. I think this would be a similar kind of lifestyle. Easy access to everything. Hey, so maybe you want to become a landlord, and if you do, like our content here, subscribe to the channel. We're approaching 30,000 subscribers. We'd love to have you be part of the community. God bless.